It is being recorded. Good morning, all of you. This
Good
is
morning.
Ravu's Institute of English, Spoken English and Grammar from Narsapur, near Railway Gate, Chinnamadipalli, West Godavari district. My contact number is 9010868177. Join and speak English without fear. There is a boy who is studying 7th class.
9th class, sir.
9th class. This boy is studying 9th class. This boy wants to talk in English for some time. So let's get started. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Shanmukh Venkat Ganesh, sir.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Chinnamadipalli, sir.
Okay, what are you studying?
I'm studying 9th class, sir.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books, playing cricket.
Reading books and
Playing
playing,
cricket,
watching TV. Okay, good. Okay, do you have summer holidays?
Yes, sir. I have summer holidays.
Okay. Do you enjoy your summer holidays?
Yes, sir. I enjoy.
What do you learn in summer holidays? Do you learn spoken English?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the name of the institute?
Rao's Institute of English, sir. Spoken English.
Where it is located?
Near to Railway Gate, sir. Narsapuram.
Railway Gate, 31st Ward, Chinnamadipalli.
Chinnamadipalli, sir.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Now, what do you want to tell? I mean, do you want to tell a story or general conversation?
Story, sir.
You want to tell a story? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You are very interested to tell a story, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you like the story telling?
Yes, sir. I like.
Okay. First, tell me the name of the story.
Help me, please, sir.
Help me, please. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think this story gives us a good message.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Already, I read the story. Okay. After reading the story, I like it very much because it gives us a good message that teachers gives us knowledge. The story tells us teachers gives us teachers give us knowledge. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go on. Carry on.
Once upon a time, there is a farmer sowing the seeds, sir.
Okay.
One rabbit came to farmer and asked, "What is my name, sir?"
Okay.
The farmer told, "I am busy. Go and ask my brother. My brother is a potter, sir."
Okay. Neighbor. I think neighbor is his potter. Neighbor is his potter is his neighbor.
Yes, sir.
Yes. His neighbor is potter,
Yes,
not
sir.
brother.
Yes, sir.
Farmer's neighbor. Hmm.
Rabbit went to the potter and asked, "What is my name, sir?" The
Okay.
potter, the potter told, "I am very busy. Go, go and ask my friend. My friend is a barber, sir." The rabbit went to the barber, sir. The barber is very busy to trimming the hair, sir.
Okay. Nice. You are telling.
The rabbit asked the barber, "What is my name?" The barber told, "I am busy. My sister is a tailor. He
Okay.
is a beautiful cloth, sir."
Okay.
The rabbit went to the tailor.
She teaches beautiful clothes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
The rabbit went to the tailor and asked, "What is my name? Please help me to tell my name."
Okay.
The tailor told, "I am very busy to stitch a beautiful clothes, sir."
Okay. Yes, yes.
The tailor told, "There is a man sitting under the tree, sir. Go
Cobbler.
and
Cob-
go and see that boy, sir.
Cobbler.
That boy is a cobbler, sir."
Okay. Yeah.
The
Hmm.
rabbit went to the
Hmm.
cobbler and asked, "Sir, what is my name?"
Yeah.
The cobbler shouted on the rabbit, sir.
Okay.
And then the rabbit was going under the road, sir.
Okay.
The rabbit saw the fisherman, sir.
Okay.
And the rabbit went to the fisherman and asked, "Sir,
Okay.
what is your name?"
Hmm.
The fisherman told, "I am busy in fishing. Go
Hmm.
on your name."
Hmm.
The uh, the rabbit went from there, sir.
Okay.
The rabbit was going in very sad, sir.
Okay.
After some time,
The rabbit felt very sad
yes, sir, the rabbit felt very sad, sir.
because it can't find its name.
Sir,
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah.
the rabbit finally the rabbit went to the school, sir.
Uh,
In that school, the teacher was
hmm.
telling to the students
Hmm.
tell alphabet, sir.
The letters of the alphabet.
Alphabet, sir.
What
The
is the
students,
teacher doing?
the teacher doing
The
tell alphabet.
teacher is teaching
Yes, sir.
the letters of alphabet.
Yes, sir.
After that, what happened?
The students told R for rabbit, sir.
Okay.
The rabbit got its name and it was very happy, sir.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Rabbit was very happy because rabbit got
He
his
name, sir.
name. Okay. First it went to farm. It went to the farmer.
Yes, sir.
Farmer told, I don't know.
Farmer told, there is my neighbor. He was a potter, sir.
Farmer didn't tell its name.
Yes, sir. Because
Next it went to
potter, sir.
okay.
The
Yeah.
potter told, I am very busy. My friend is a barber. Go and ask my friend, sir.
Yeah.
The barber told, I am very busy. Go and ask sister, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, just wait a minute. Rabbit met so many people
Yes,
and
sir.
asked them what is my name, but they
Yes, sir.
didn't tell. Finally,
Yes, sir.
rabbit was very sad, so it went to school. Teacher told the children R for rabbit. Then rabbit got his name. So therefore, what do we understand? What do we learn from the story? So
We learn and teach.
the story tells the importance of teachers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means teachers give us knowledge.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
other people did not say its name except
Yes,
teacher. So
yes, sir.
finally, the rabbit went to school and got his name.
Yes, sir.
So we can say that this story tells the importance of teachers.
Yes,
It's a
sir.
nice story we have told. Yeah, we told very well.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. We are run out of time. We will make another video.
Yes,
And
sir.
till then, bye.
Yes, sir. Bye.
All of you, this boy will come again with another story. Till then, bye. See you again. Okay, thank you.